a brotherhood. And if we stand strong together, we can't be denied. If one of us go down, we have another, and another, and another that's ready to fight. So let's hit this field and bang 'em, bang 'em, bang 'em. Somebody light me up. I'm gonna fight 'em. Big story. Mets. A seven-nation army couldn't hold me back. They're gonna rip it up, taking their time right behind my back. And I'm talking to myself at night because I can't forget. Back and forth through my mind behind a cigarette. And a message coming from my eyes. Every single one's got a story to tell. Everyone knows about it. From the Queen of England to the House of Hell. And if I catch you